The bride of Christ is in pain. Many know the pain, but few know that the pain is actually a child in birth. It's birthing pains, saints. But no one is aware of the dragon standing in front of the woman to devour the child that is busy to be birthed. I want to read to you Revelation 12, where this dragon is standing before the woman and who was ready to devour her child as soon as it was born. Many of the members in this bride is now in travail for childbirth, and you need to birth something. It goes deeper. Let's go to Romans 8:22. To this day, we are aware of the fact that the universe agony and groaning of creation as if it were in contraction of labor for childbirth. The pain that you experience is actually contraction of labor for childbirth. That if you are not aware of the fact that you are in labor pains, you might have a miscarriage because of this dragon standing in front of you. So I want to read to you again Romans 8:22 in the Modern King James. It says, "And we know that the whole creation groans and travails in pain together until now." The TLV is saying, "For we know that the whole creation groans together and suffers birth pains until now." So not only is the bride now in birth pains, but the whole creation is in birth pains, groaning. And the dragon is standing to devour that child. Saints, here is the point. The dragon knows that his time is coming to an end, and the Lord Almighty is birthing something new. Many of us, many of you, already received certain blueprints that must roll out. And we need to put that blueprints now against our chest. Time is not ready and right for us to put it on display. It will come. And here is the thing. That dragon is standing in front of the woman. He's not doing anything. He is just monitoring and studying your weak points. That is phase 1 of this dragon that wants to devour the child. Can I say it again? Phase 1 is just a monitoring phase. But then in phase 2, the enemy is moving in to strike. He is now engaging. And this is the strategy. People that was monitoring you suddenly grow nearer and nearer, and it is almost if they become your friends. And then when you open your eyes, they are in the inner circle, but you never give them permission to be in the inner circle. And then they strike because they monitor you, they monitor the weak points, they brought up old stuff in your life, and then they start texting you, sending you messages, sending you emails, using old stories and memories. They act safe, but they are not for your benefit. Because you think that they are safe, we let them in. And when they are in, they attack. This is not a time for you to engage. It's a time for you to birth. So do not engage in any conversation. You need now to stay quiet, flow low. It is almost if you, as the bride, is now in that labor pains in isolation. You need to birth this child. We need to take back our birthing season now. And make sure that you now have that spirit of discernment so that you can discern the dragon who wants to come to steal that child where you are now currently pregnant with.